This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing power and backups. This prevents in-flight failures and preserves settings. Connect the Phantom 4 to your computer with a USB cable and open DJI Assistant 2. Make sure firmware files match model. Once done, sign in and check the current firmware version shown. Note any required MC or ESC updates. You proceed immediately to download the latest stable firmware package because incremental updates often require specific order. Don't skip backing up camera gimbal offsets. They matter for calibration later. You now apply the firmware in the correct sequence to avoid corruption. Start with the flight controller. Click Update and monitor progress. Progress bars and device reboots show activity. Once the controller finishes and the unit reboots, continue to gimbal and camera firmware in order because dependencies exist between modules. Make sure the computer won't sleep. Prevent interruptions by disabling auto sleep. If an update stalls, remain calm and wait 10 minutes because some steps take longer while the drone writes flash memory. You finish by calibrating sensors and confirming system health. IMU and compass require stable surfaces and a clear sky. Check remote calibration, ensure GPS locks to multiple satellites, and set a safe RTH altitude. This prevents accidental collisions. Once confident, run a short low-altitude hover test to confirm gimbal and control responsiveness. If something goes wrong, attempt recovery via DJI Assistant's recovery mode or reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.